Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone overheating issue after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. You have first solution. Fix this problem. You have clear background app. Then you have use some app. So you have open the setting, and then you have 3 4 5. Then you have any app so you have wanted, so you use. So then you have remove from background, so double tap home button. Then you have remove from here. So then this is a remove background apps. Then you have clear background apps. Then first solution is not working. That's a second solution. You have restart your iPhone. So then you have restart your iPhone. So press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed. And then third solution, you have update all app. So then you have how to update all app. So you have open this app store. So then you have click on Apple app store ID icon. Wait some seconds. Network issue on my iPhone. So then he is a late loading. So then you have click on app store icon ID. So then you have scroll up, update all app from here. Then fourth solution, you have check the battery health. So then you have open the setting and scroll up. Then you have click on battery health. So you have maximum capacity, so 75%. Then other solution, you have reset all setting. So then you have again open the setting, and then you have click on general, scroll up. Then you have click on transfer or reset. Then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, and then you have taken a passcode, and then do not lose any data on your iPhone. Only reset our setting on your iPhone. So then other solution, you have reset network setting. So then same open the setting, open on general, click on general, click on reset or click on transfer or reset. Then you have click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, do only reset network setting on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have disable location service. So then you have again open the setting and click on privacy, click on location service. Location service is turned off already, so then you must be turned off on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.